The Saunders Cervical Traction Device is designed to provide traction to the cervical region. It stretches and realigns the neck and spine to provide the perfect traction in the comfort of your own home. The device requires no assembly and is ready to use out of the case. Our Saunders Cervical Traction Device comes with a carrying case. To use this device, first set the traction angle prescribed by your healthcare provider. Once you set the designated angle, place the device on a carpeted floor or another firm surface. Head strap and pads. Next, lie down on your back, positioning your body so the neck wedges cradle the middle part of your neck and your head rests comfortably on the head pad. Make sure to secure the head strap over your forehead just above the brow line. This strap should fit snugly. A cervical hand pump to make sure that the air hose is not being pinched by the bottom of the unit. Make sure you have enough room to lie down in a comfortable position. Now you are ready to apply traction using the pump. An angle adjuster. If your healthcare provider did not specify the angle of pull, leave the angle adjuster in the top position. The top position is 15 degrees, the middle is 20 degrees, and the bottom is 25 degrees.
What can it be used for? Osteoarthritis, muscle tightness, headaches, joint stiffness, herniated discs, nerve root compression. What should it not be used for? Acute or traumatic injury, rheumatoid arthritis, spinal instability, spinal cord compression, fractures, infections, and inflammatory diseases.